The system of German railway wagon classes, Wagengattungen, was introduced in Germany in 1902 and 1905 by the Prussian state railways based on their system of norms and was soon taken up by the other state railways, Länderbahnen. On the formation of the Deutsche Reichsbahn, the system became mandatory across the whole of Germany. In the course of the years, more and more adjustments to it were made. It was finally replaced between 1964 and 1968, when the two German railway administrations, the Deutsche Bundesbahn and the Deutsche Reichsbahn, East Germany, adopted the internationally standard UIT classifications for passenger coaches and goods wagons. Today, you will still find the system regularly being used for narrow-gauge goods wagons because these were not generally given UIT designations, as well as on many historic vehicles. The wagon class comprises one or more main class letters, Hauptgattungszechen, in capitals, sometimes with lowercase letters in between, and possibly several secondary class letters, Nebengattungszeichen, always in lowercase. Combinations of several main class letters are possible, e.g. on passenger coaches with different accommodation classes. Main class letters. In order to distinguish bogie wagons, the last letter of the main class was doubled to begin with, e.g. BC, BCC, GGG. Exceptions were the post, salon, Schlafenspiess where there was no difference. From 1928 the system was changed on passenger coaches. Instead of doubling the letters, the number of axles was indicated where it was greater than 2. So an 8-wheeled BC coach was no longer classified as a BCC, but as a BC4. That now made it possible to distinguish passenger coaches with 3 axles or more. For goods wagons, the doubling of letters was retained. Only on DGW and ZM wagons was the differentiation dropped, whilst the BT, H, PWG, V, and VO wagons had no bogie variants anyway. Secondary letters for passenger coaches. Secondary letters for goods wagons. Description of the maximum load. Equals 4 and 6-wheeled wagons. Equals wagons with 8 wheels or more, including HH wagons. Equals. Description of loading length and loading area. Description of features of importance for train formation. Description of individual wagon classes. Equals classes GGG and N equals class HHH equals classes KKK OOOOO VO and XXX equals classes RRR and SSS equals class TTT equals class V equals class ZM equals class ZZZ equals. Sources: Helmut Behrens, Wolfgang Hensel, Gerhard Wiedau, Güterwagen Archiv 1. Transpress, Berlin 1989, ISBN 3-344-001-841. Helmut Behrens, Wolfgang Hensel, Gerhard Wiedau, Güterwagen Archiv 2. Transpress, Berlin 1989, ISBN 3-344-003305. Peter Wagner, Sigrid Wagner, Joachim Deppmeyer, Reichswagen 1. Sitz und Gepäckwagen. Transpress 1993, ISBN 3-344-70783-3. See also. History of rail transport in Germany. External links. Letzahlen und Nummern System für der Güterwagen nach 1951 bei Fremo. Deutsche Güterwagenbahn 1910 bis 1945.